You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Tyrone Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Alright, in today's video, I'll be teaching it's strictly for beginners, for those that want to go into fashion, into sewing, okay, and you don't know how to match the machine or how to pedal the machine. What you do is, so how to pedal the machine, a manual sewing machine. Alright, so this is a butterfly sewing machine. So how do you start as a beginner? You don't know anything about sewing, you don't know how to match the machine, you don't know how to you don't know how to pedal it. What do? What the first thing you should do is, after getting your machine, to start, look at my leg. See, you try your best. Try your best. At first, you'll be doing like this. It will go front, it will come back. But don't worry. All you need to do is just consistently do it. You know that you should start like this. Like, first of all, it will go front, back, front, and but before you start sewing, you need to know how to pedal your machine very well. And the best way to know how to learn how to sew is using your manual machine. So if you start with industrial, like electric machine, industrial, it will be somehow difficult for you. So the best is start with this manual machine. So it will help you a lot. So you have an added advantage. So just keep doing it. You keep sewing, until you master it. Can you see what I'm doing? Like I said, at first you will be making a lot of mistakes. It will go from, it will come back. You see, you like this, something like this, but with time, you get used to it. Front, back, like this. This is what you continue to do. You start it slowly, and as time goes on, it becomes faster. So this is the first thing to do to become thing you should do is learn how to pedal your machine slowly until you become expert. And after you learn how to do it, the next thing is get some pieces of material and you start sewing it. All right, another thing is how to thread. Okay, so this is my thread. This is it. Now, can you see this place is important? You can do like this. Okay, that is optional, or you leave it this way, but I prefer to put it that way. And then you come to this. Can you see? And then put it here. If you don't put it here, there's no way it will sew. You have to put your rope, your thread, you have to pass it into this place and then into your needle. Can you see this? All right, so there's another thing under that makes your machine to sew. It's called what? Shuttle. Can you see? Shuttle and reeler. So this is a reeler, this is a shuttle. So these two work hand in hand. Okay, so no, there can be no sewing, it won't sew. So you put your reeler, you've already reeled your can you see, you've already reeled it, fix your reeler into your shuttle, and then look at this. This thing is very important. You just pass it. Let me do it again. This is my reeler. I'll put it inside. I'll insert it into my shuttle. Then I'll make it to pass to come out like this. Okay, so now fix my shuttle. Look at this. So it's already set in the machine. So put it, and then I'll now use my needle here to remove it by pulling it inside, okay, to bring it out. So that's all about this aspect. Okay, so the next thing, you want to reel your thread. How do you reel your thread? So you see that in this video we are doing about 3 things or 4 things in this, in one, or 5 things. So the next thing is, how do I reel my thread into this reeler? Very, very simple. All you need do is, that's manually, locally. Now this is my thread. Can you see my thread? So I'm going to roll it, wrap it round the shuttle. Sorry, the reeler. This is a reeler. Can you see? So just few steps, just do it, reel it a little. The next thing, you can get something like this that can go into your reeler. Can you see? You can use broom. You can use anything, needle, anything long. So the next thing is, you now start, lift slowly. Don't be too fast. Don't be too fast, so that it will be straight. You don't be too fast. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be fast. So any color of thread you are using is very, very simple. We are done with this. All right, and I've shown you how to fix it. Now the next thing is, I want to learn how to sew. I said I will get a pieces of either clothes or any material that you can sew, that can be sewn on the machine, on the manual sewing machine. Okay, it's very simple. I can get any material. So this is a material for bag. Okay, it's just like a normal clothes material. So I'll place it like this. I won't even mind the color of thread, since I'm practicing. So you can see. All right, so another thing is straightness. Your hand must be straight. So with constant practice, your hand will be straight. Okay, so I'm going to try another one. So this I will continue to try until I master it. So just get a lot of pieces. So that is it. Now after I'm done, this thing is called carrier. Can you see it? Is what you can use to lift your machine. This, to lift the shoe. This is it's called the shoe of machine. Is what you can use to lift it up, to just regulate your machine. So you lift it up and then cut. So that is that. It's very, very simple. If there's any, let me know. If there's anything you would love to learn apart from this, let me know. So it's very, very easy to become an expert in sewing, but the basic is to know how to pedal your sewing machine, your manual sewing machine. From this you can graduate to industrial machine. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know it will help you a lot. If you are a beginner, don't shake, don't even get discouraged. You can become an expert. So thank you so much. Share with your friends. It's very simple. Or not subscribe to my channel, it's very, very good that you subscribe to this channel, because you'll be learning a lot from this channel. Do well by subscribing. Click on that subscribe button and invite your friends to subscribe, because invite those that want to learn how to sew to this channel. Invite those that want to bake this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a nice day. If you also want to learn how to make all these bridal accessories like this flower, this bouquet, all you need to do is indicate interest, and I will make a video about it. Thank you so much. You have a nice time learning. Bye.